Does your child have to file taxes? In this video, we'll explain the 2026 IRS rules so you know exactly when your child is required to file and when they might get a free pass. The IRS doesn't care how old you are. If a child earns enough, the IRS wants their paperwork. However, the rules for children claimed as dependents are different from those for adults. Today, we're breaking down the specific 2026 thresholds for 3 common income types. First, let's look at part-time jobs. This is earned income, such as wages from W-2 employment like fast food or lifeguarding. The 2026 threshold for a dependent child to file is earned income exceeding $16,100. For example, if a teen earned $5,000 as a lifeguard, they are under the limit and not required to file. Scenario 2 is the side hustle. Activities like babysitting, dog walking, lawn mowing, or selling crafts count as self-employment income, and the IRS is stricter here. With net earnings of $400 or more, a child must file a return and pay self-employment tax. A 14-year-old earning $600 fixing bikes, for instance, would need to file. Third, we have investments or unearned income, which includes interest, dividends, and capital gains. The first $1,350 is tax-free. If it exceeds that amount, they must file. Note that if your child only has this type of income, you might be able to report it on your own tax return using IRS Form 8814. Consult your CPA. Here is a quick look at the 2026 filing thresholds. $16,100 for W-2 earned income, $400 for self-employment earnings, and $1,350 for unearned investment income. What if your child has a combination of income sources? The IRS uses a formula to determine if they must file. You'll need to determine the applicable threshold, compute their total amount, and compare it. When in doubt, a free online tax calculator can help you check their status. Is there a reason to file even if your teen is under the threshold? Yes. If their employer withheld federal or state income taxes, they don't actually owe those taxes. Filing a return is the only way to claim that money back as a refund. It's essentially free money. Filing taxes can also be a great financial lesson. Start by gathering documents like W-2s or 1099s. Then, use free software like the IRS Free File tool. Finally, sit down with your teen and walk through the process together as a team. To wrap up, remember the 2026 keys: $16,100 for W-2 jobs, $400 for self-employment, and $1,350 for investment income. And always consider filing anyway if taxes were withheld, so your child can claim their refund.